This is why you should always watch your back before entering your apartment at night.
That was way too close.
A crazy shootout between the police and a group of wannabe tough guys in Portland, Oregon.
I want to sleep, boy. It's just in my pocket, man. What the hell ain't monster, man? That's far away. I got to go, bro.
Nothing scares you the most than to wake up in the middle of the night to see someone standing at your porch at night, acting strange. This is why leaving your items out for so long isn't safe anymore. Check this out. Maybe this will convince you never to trust anyone outside your door.
Okay, look. You have your dogs, right?
Yeah.
I'm gonna protect you. I'm gonna protect my neighbor. I'm gonna protect you. Okay? I'll be right back.
Okay. Hey, it's okay over here.
What kind of protection is this, folks? I don't really know. We are no longer safe with this kind of people staying around our society. Please, anyone that sees this guy should report him to the police immediately.
Hey, we're trying to keep it. Hey, look. Just chill out, all right?
How am I chill? She's putting my baby in danger. I helped her with everything with her baby.
I understand, dude.
I shouldn't be suffering. Her that.
It seems that they are having a little family clash here. Let's see what the issue is all about.
Not over a car seat. Are you being a two-faced?
Open the car seat, dude. Open the door right now.
Open the door. Give me my car seat.
Back up, bro.
You know me.
Hey, what the fuck?
Give me my car seat.
Hey, back.
Then just do it. Just
give me my you know me.
Hey, dude, chill. Back up, bro. Yeah. Shut the fuck up. We understand. Wait. Chill, bro. Chill. Chill.
Why do you guys have to do it to us?
Hey, look, chill.
You have to send my 5-year-old with cops?
Yeah, I don't know. Don't.
Jamie,
Please. Come on. Hey, dog.
Y'all with this shit, homie.
Hey, we don't know what's going on.
I don't care. I want she gets for the car seat.
That's not my car, dog. That's not my car.
Tell her.
Having argument between two people, brother and sister, wife and husband, and neighbors will always happen. And that is what makes us humans. But I hope these people gets to settle their differences very soon.
Shut the fuck up! Get on your fuck! Shut the fuck up! Shut your fucking mouth! Get on the goddamn ground!
Nemesis, they said, has caught up with this one's.
Go fucking move! Get on the fucking ground! I got taser. I swear to God, I have a job, bro. Everything I love. I never
like this video so that it can get to some of these delivery companies, because some of their workers needs proper brain examination.
Why? What's wrong? Why are you throwing shit at my fucking dog? He's about to fucking hit me. You what? Are you coming at me right now? He didn't fucking bite you. You come right at me like he's going to, son. You need to back and fuck up.
If this video didn't teach you anything as a parent, trust me, you will never raise your kids in a good way. This home camera caught these kids taking something from the porch without the homeowner's permission, which made their mom to bring them back for apology.
Hi. Were you the ones that took the Red Bull earlier?
Yes, and they are here to apologize and to, if they need to, work it off, or I'm going to replace it.
No, it's fine. It's not that big of a deal, but just please don't do that again. If you want something, you can knock and we'll give it to you. It's no problem.
Yeah, and well, here, y'all talk.
Yes.
We're very sorry for stealing it. We shouldn't have done it. We weren't thinking.
I appreciate your apology. Thank you.
And if you ever see, this one is mine. I live down the street. This is my nephew. If you ever see them, please, because Mandy sent it to me. I am not raising my child to be like that.
Yes, ma'am. I understand.
I'm highly pissed off at him. But I'm very sorry.
Of course. Thank you guys for coming back. But again, if you want anything, just let us know and we'll give it to you. I promise.
We appreciate it.
Of
Say
course.
yes, ma'am. Boys? Yes, ma'am.
Wow. You guys don't know how proud of this woman I am. And if you think this woman did the right thing, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. It helps me a lot. This happened in Houston, Texas. A young woman was caught on camera running towards someone's apartment at night, looking over her shoulders. Although no one else was seen chasing her, but this is still a reason why you should always lock your doors, because something like this can lead into home invasion. Immediately, the woman spotted the light coming at her back. She quickly ran off the stairs. But that is not the problem. The problem is that this video has caused a lot of controversy, both online and the place this took place. I want you all to listen to what some other media reporters are saying about this.
The woman begs for help and starts crying when nobody answers the door. And a few seconds later, a car's headlights come into view in the background. As soon as she sees the light, the woman crouches down behind a column, and she does the same thing again when she sees the neighbor's driveway lights turn on. After a few minutes of waiting, a car's headlights illuminate the driveway, and the woman walks down the steps towards it. It's possible that she got in the car, but this wasn't caught on the Ring camera. As soon as the footage was made public, many people started speculating that the woman might have been the victim of trafficking and was trying to escape her captors, but others believe that she had a totally different motive. Several viewers mentioned that if she really had been in danger, she wouldn't have hid from the neighbors when she saw their driveway lights turn on. Another thing that caught viewers' attention is the fact that at the very beginning of the video, the woman isn't actually running. She appears to be casually walking up the steps, and she only begins to run when she comes into view of the doorbell camera, which suggests that the whole thing might have been a robbery setup. Less than a month after the footage was uploaded, El Paso police arrested 34-year-old Krista Nicole Cordell for burglary. After her mugshot was released, some people believed that it was the same woman from the video due to the resemblance, but police never officially confirmed this. It's unclear if she was ever seen in the neighborhood again.
Now that you have listened to the whole news, what do you think? Was she genuinely asking for help? Or was this a robbery setup at the first place? Let me know in the comment below. Buffalo, New York. Another terrible incident caught on camera as multiple gunshot was heard around people's homes.
But y'all in a whole bike lane, cuz that's all.
This is why you should always lock your doors. A man was caught on camera dressed as a utility worker knocking at this man's front door. But little did he know that the homeowner was already watching from the camera.
Get away from the door.
I have said it many times on this channel. Lock your cars immediately you came back from work. This is another reason why you should check if someone is following you before walking into your house.
¡Ay, suéltame! ¡Amor! ¡No! ¡Suéltame! Ay, ¡suéltame!
If you haven't subscribed yet, trust me, you will miss the next episode of our Ring Doorbell video coming up on this channel. So, subscribe now to be updated on the next upload.
¡No! ¡Suéltame! Ay, ¡suéltame! ¡Amor!
They are stealing bikes these days. If you are leaving anything on your porch, make sure you lock it.
Hush.
Yes, some of us do make this mistake. Not every knock you hear on your front door means well for you. Check this out.
Hush.
She didn't know that the intruder was hiding behind her, which is very dangerous. So before you open your door to anyone, watch closely to know who you are opening for.